To replace filter in the DEF pump, proceed as follows. Unscrew the DEF pump plug using a 27mm wrench. Remove and discard the balancing cartridge. Use the key to remove the filter. Insert the black end of the key into the filter unit until you hear a click. This indicates that the tool is fully engaged. Use distilled water to clean the threads and mating surfaces of the DEF pump and the plug. Lubricate the O-rings of the new filter with clean DEF. Carefully insert the new filter into the DEF pump. Install the new balancing cartridge into the new filter. Manually screw the plug into the DEF pump. Tighten the plug with a torque of 23 Nm using a 27mm wrench. To replace the DEF inline filter, first unscrew and remove the plug from the filter drainage hole. Drain the DEF into a suitable container. Turn the filter cover counterclockwise and push it downwards. Remove the filter from the cover and discard it. Remove and discard the O-ring and the expanded polyethylene compensation element. Install the new O-ring and the expanded polyethylene compensation element in the filter cover. Insert the new filter in the filter cover. Screw the cover clockwise onto the filter and tighten it with a torque of 25 Nm. Screw the new plug into the drain hole. Tighten with a torque of 4 Nm.